Hello friends, I am Saurabh. Today I will discuss about the meaning and concept of the portfolio revision. In portfolio management, the maximum emphasis is placed on portfolio analysis and selection, which leads to the construction of the optimal portfolio. What after construction of such optimal portfolio enters portfolio revision, that is revising portfolio time to time in accordance with the nature and risk reward ratio of given portfolio under consideration in such a way that optimality of the concerned portfolio remains same throughout the length and breadth of such portfolio. Portfolio revision is as important as portfolio analysis and portfolio selection. Portfolio revision involves changing the existing mix of securities. Portfolio revision may be effected either by changing the securities currently included in the portfolio or by altering the proportion of funds invested in the securities. New securities may be added to the portfolio or some existing securities may be removed from the portfolio. Portfolio revision leads to purchases and sales of securities. The objective of portfolio revision is the same as the objective of portfolio selection, that is maximizing the return for a given level of risk or minimizing the risk for a given level of return. The concept of portfolio revision is that any change in the existing mix of a given portfolio is directed towards maximization of return and minimization of risk. Thank you.